What was the other thing I was going to say? Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. So here I am in the closet again in the carriage house. We're nearing the end of the renovations of the carriage house. We're looking forward to it so we can move over to the big house, and that will be a lot of fun. But as we work to finish things up, I'm finishing up the painting, I've finished up the drywall. Gary's been working on baseboards and the molding finishing work, and he usually follows up with caulking after that. But it occurred to me today that maybe I could learn to caulk so he can do some of the other more important things. So of course we decided that the way to do this is to put me back in the closet so I can caulk in places that nobody will see. And specifically I'll be doing under what will become my little desk, so really no one is going to see how that works. And thought it might be helpful for you to see what it's like for a first-timer doing caulking. Okay, so I think I'm ready to start caulking. So Gary has talked me through the things I need, starting with wet or damp cloths to basically clean up my mess. So I've got 2. We'll see if that's enough. The trusty caulk gun I've got, and the caulk, which is in a cup full of water. So what he said was you put it in water when you're done with it so it doesn't dry out and it's ready to go. So I think these are the things that I need. So I'm going to load up the gun and then I'm going to start caulking. So he said things like move quickly, smoothly. When I release this, it stops the flow.
At the top, so that tells you if it's centered.
Okay, and so this feels to me like it's centered, but this, so I'm going to go like this.
Point it in.
Point it in.
And you gotta turn this up this way so it engages the teeth.
Okay, I'm engaging the teeth. This is pointed. I'm going to go. Okay, wait. So.
Yeah, pump it some.
To get it.
Till you get resistant.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Now reach in.
So is this right? Straight. You said like.
And you want to angle like this.
Angle like this.
Yeah, you're not untight yet. This will have to be all the way up.
Okay. Oh.
Like that.
Okay.
This should be up touching that.
Okay. So you're happy with how that is? I'm going like that, and I'm pulling.
Yep.
Okay.
Keep it pointed away from the wall.
Keep it pointed away from the wall.
Way, yeah, more.
Okay. Like this. All right. First time on video right here. And I just push and hold.
Yep, squeeze and hold.
Oh, I see. Oh, big gap. So I'm not pushing enough. Do I come back and start over?
Keep going with what you have. So yeah, you have, are you squeezing tightly?
Well, apparently not, but it feels like I am. Oh. Okay.
Just do that again and see.
Okay. All right. Away from the wall. And squeeze. Oh. Oh, that's hard. So that's a pretty big gap.
Yeah,
That looks better.
That's good, but that's much better. I would still use my wet finger to tool it.
Yeah, wet
But,
finger
yeah, much
tool
better.
it. Okay. Wet finger tooling. Let's get that out of the way. Oh yeah, I see the gunk. Okay. All right, let's give it another shot. Okay. Away from the wall. Here we go. Push hard. That's better. Yeah, a little goopy. Putting this against the wall so it will stand up. All right, so I see the advantage for the wet cloth now. You actually need a lot more than I did. So, all right, I'm liking how it's looking. I'm gonna do some more and then I'll check back with everybody. All right, so I'm getting ready to caulk the bedroom. I've finished caulking the closet, and I've gotta say, I learned a lot just in the time that I caulked the closet, and I think I'm getting pretty good at this. So I'm going to attribute this to my mudding experience. There's some things that seem familiar to me with mudding. So let me encourage you first-time caulkers. I think you should do it, and this is certainly in your wheelhouse. I have discovered, however, two ideas that I didn't see anywhere else on YouTube, and Gary was hadn't thought of that, and he agreed that these were good ideas, and so I thought I would share that about my caulking now that I have one day of caulking experience. The first is to reiterate how messy caulking is, and caulk is going to get all over the place. And so I had talked before about using small pieces of cloth for to collect your caulk. But one thing I discovered, it's a lot easier if you use a non-white cloth t-shirt, so a gray or a blue or something that's not white, because you'll really see the caulk on there and it'll help you not get it all over your hands. So that's hint number one. Hint number two is you have to put tape in the corners when you're caulking the inside corners, and it's going to be a mess. And so rather than just putting the painter's tape flat out on the floor, I discovered if you first cut a little piece, or rip off a little piece, and turn down a sharp corner, so it looks like this, you can put that corner right, this edge of the tape, right into the corner, and then make it go, do another one that's 90 degrees to that. It will lay down flat on the corner and it won't stick. So when you pull it up after the caulk dries, it is very neat and organized. So kind of proud that I thought of those two things on my own. All right, so now I'm going to caulk the bedroom, and I'm going to show you how much faster and better I've gotten at it.